Hello friends! In this lesson we'll go over what a CFD is, or a contract for difference. And if you're just starting to learn about financial trading, know that today we can earn not only by trading currencies. Modern brokers have given us access to a huge number of different assets. Stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, metals, and even energy assets. And most importantly, we don't need to physically buy all these assets to make money. All we need to do is enter into a contract for difference. This is abbreviated as CFD. So what is a CFD? A CFD is not a physical purchase of an asset, but a financial agreement between a trader and a broker that the value of the asset will rise or fall. In other words, you make a deal, a contract, on whether the value of the asset will go up or down. Yes, for example, if you bought euros, the euro currency, and its price goes up, you make a profit. And the more the value of the asset rises, the more profit you make. But if you bought euros and their value drops, then you incur a loss. It's all logical here. But most importantly, to make money from buying or selling euros, you don't need to run to a currency exchange and swap your country's currency for euros or euros for another currency. You don't need to do that anymore. After all, we can speculate on the price difference of any currency through a convenient platform that the broker provides for trading. You don't physically buy the currency, you simply make a trade predicting whether the currency's value will rise or fall. In other words, you can make money from changes in its price. It's not funny when I see traders physically buying cryptocurrencies and storing them in hot or cold wallets. And then they wait out some kind of crypto winter, hoping that the crypto market will rise again. Maybe it will rise, most likely it will rise. But why wait so long? If you can make trades betting that Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency will fall and then drop further. So, while someone spends the entire crypto winter, which could last half a year or even a whole year, waiting for the cryptocurrency they bought to go up in price so they can make a profit, we can earn much more during that time, 5, maybe even 10 times more, simply through automated trading, using CFD contracts to bet on whether the price of cryptocurrency will rise or fall. Here's how it works. So why are CFDs convenient? First of all, you get access to any assets on a single platform. For example, on the MetaTrader 5 platform, which is the most common and popular platform for traders. In the world of trading, you can switch in a second between traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies, say, switch to oil, to gold, to the stock exchange and Nasdaq assets, then back to cryptocurrencies, instantly make trades without physically buying these assets, and speculate on the price difference between the buy and sell prices. Secondly, unlike traditional traders or investors who physically buy assets and wait for them to increase in value, you can trade in both directions. That is, if you want to profit from growth, you open a buy trade and you make a profit if the asset's value rises. The more it rises, the greater your profit. Or, if you want to profit from a drop in the asset's price, you open a sell trade. The more the asset's price falls, the more profit you make. Another big advantage is the low capital requirements. Through leverage, and by the way, we'll talk about leverage in the next lesson, it's very important. So, with leverage, you can control a position larger than your actual deposit. In fact, modern brokers have lowered the entry barrier for beginner traders so much that anyone can start trading on the financial market. The minimum deposit is $200 US. And this amount is already enough to make trades and earn a profit. Although, of course, the order of things hasn't completely changed. And the larger your deposit, the greater your potential earnings. Another advantage is the absence of logistics and bureaucracy. Guys, we're not buying a barrel of oil or stocks in paper form. It doesn't matter to us. How much would it cost to store them? Because we don't physically buy all these assets. We simply trade on the price difference. In other words, we work with digital contracts. It's simple, fast, and super liquid. So friends, let's sum up everything we've discussed. So, a CFD is a tool that allows you to speculate on the price movement of any asset without physically buying it. It's flexible, it's simple, it's fast, liquid, and, believe me, much more profitable than physically buying assets. It is precisely on the basis of contracts for price differences that automated trading operates. With automated trading, we can make a huge number of trades every day and earn, and earn again. And it doesn't matter whether the price of the asset is rising, falling, or just moving in circles. This is exactly what I will try to teach you in my training course. See you in the next lesson.